All right, let's dive into the engines that power pretty much everything. Electric motors. It's a whole family tree.
Yep, you got it. They all rely on a precisely engineered electric motor to get things moving.
So how do they work? Basically, electricity and magnetism team up to create force, which makes stuff spin.
But here's the thing. Not all motors are created equal. The family splits into two big branches. This split is all about the type of power they use: alternating current, or AC, and direct current, DC.
Okay, let's start with the AC branch. These are the motors you typically plug right into the wall.
First up is the asynchronous motor. You can just call it the workhorse. It's rugged and super common.
Within that, you've got two main types, the super simple squirrel cage and the more complex wound rotor.
Now, for the other AC type, the synchronous motor. The name gives it away. Its speed is locked in.
That perfect sync makes them ideal for things that need constant, unwavering speed, no matter what. All right, let's jump over to the other side of the family, DC motors, often powered by batteries. The classic version is the brushed DC motor. It uses these tiny carbon brushes and a switch to keep spinning. They're simple to control, but there's a catch. Those brushes wear out and need to be replaced. So, naturally, engineers came up with a solution, the brushless DC motor, or BLDC for short. It gets rid of the physical brushes entirely. Instead, a smart electronic controller does all the work. And the result is pretty clear. They're way more efficient, they last longer, and they're quieter. So to quickly recap, each motor type really is optimized for different jobs and different power sources. And believe it or not, the family tree gets even bigger. There are all kinds of specialized motors.
You've got servo motors for robotics and stepper motors that are perfect for things like 3D printers.
So why the huge variety? Well, it all comes down to a trade-off: cost, control, and efficiency.
Basically, from a huge industrial pump to a tiny drone, there's a motor designed just for that job. And as our world gets more electric, you have to wonder, which of these motor types will drive our future?